Discover BingX's 6 powerful strategies to unlock passive income streams in the cryptocurrency market. Strategy 1. Invest in cryptocurrencies for long-term capital growth, carefully selecting promising digital assets. Strategy 2. Leverage automated trading bots for hands-off profit generation, working tirelessly around the clock. Strategy 3. Maximize earnings through BingX's tiered affiliate program by referring new users to the platform. Strategy 4. Become a signal provider in BingX's copy trading feature, sharing your expertise for profit. Strategy 5. Capitalize on reward rounds and welcome gifts for new users to boost your earnings. Strategy 6. Implement grid trading to automate buy low, sell high strategies across market conditions. Diversify your strategies, stay informed, and regularly monitor your performance for optimal results. Reinvest your earnings to harness the power of compounding and accelerate your passive income growth. Ready to unlock your passive income potential? Click below to create your BingX account now.